Hello, my name's Danette Dunn, and I am owner of Environmental Consulting Agency. What we've done is compiled a group of consultants of various industries to help you with your sustainable and environmental needs. And what we have created is a program so you can be green without costing you money. We can actually generate enough revenue to help you pay to be green and environmentally friendly.
GGI is a company that specializes in zero landfill and helping clients divert material from the landfill. GGI works very closely with the Environmental Consulting Agency and their vast network of consultants to make sure that items brought into an organization can either be reduced, reused, or recycled, and most importantly, diverted from the landfill. How GGI works with ECA is we go in and we actually provide consulting with organizational leadership to make sure that we can identify the products coming into the organization, as well as make sure that the material is not harmful for the environment. We also focus and provide consulting services to the company leadership to make sure that organizational goals for their sustainability and green efforts are adhered to or followed through from the highest levels of the organization all the way through the lowest levels, because I think any company that wants to be socially responsible can actually help with their sustainability goals.
Hi, my name is Dan Sexton. I'm with TriStar Recycling. We work with municipalities and large corporations. We recycle appliances, batteries, electronics or e-waste, paint, and furniture. We have found a way to save the municipalities money by participating in their hazardous waste events. Working with ECA, we have ways to save you money and become more environmentally friendly.
So many people now are looking to do business with or associate themselves with companies that are environmentally conscious. And it's our pleasure to help work with you to get that message out to your customers and your audience, if you will, in today's world, in today's market, on the internet, and anywhere that it needs to be via broadcast or television or internet or any other media. We are able to produce marketing programs and training programs that can help you reach your goals.
Hi, I'm Terry Gellenbeck, and I have 20 years of experience in recycling and solid waste in the state of Arizona. I've successfully written and got funded grants up to $250,000. Let me do it for you too. Work with ECA and we can make your ideas come true.
With environmental consciousness and green initiatives, it's critical that your programs are a success. And we know that using video to educate and train and inspire, people are much more likely to contribute to these programs and to actively participate, making the programs a success.
It's important for the medical facilities that we work with understand the importance of the interconnection between the sustainability and healthcare, and how everything from the cleaning chemicals you use to the materials around you are how affect your patients and affect the well-being of everyone around.
Hello, my name is Harry Coder. My son and I own and operate Premier Document Shredding. After serving 28 years with the police department, my main job is service and security, and I hire retired police officers as my drivers.
20% is the average savings that we save hospitals and small to large facilities. Doing that, it's the logistics of the operation that we usually find the savings in. The type of containers, the amount of containers, the transportation. A lot of times when the company that they're using just takes a guess. It's just not logistical. So what we do the walkthrough. We find what you do need and what you don't need, and then that's what we pass the savings on. With our assessment and our process, we're generally saved 20% off your shredding bill. This usually goes for larger companies such as hospitals, schools, any type of distribution companies is where you usually see that type of savings. Right now we currently work with Chandler Regional Hospital along with Mercy Gilbert Medical Center. They're run by Catholic Healthcare West. We do their main offices as well. We've been doing them for the past 3 years, I believe. The new hospital, Mercy Gilbert Medical Center, is a paperless hospital to their standards, but there is always that loose hard copy that needs to be destroyed. So we've worked with both hospitals and saved them quite a bit of money on their destruction process. The commingled program worked out very successful, especially for what we had in the process, which was bringing it all into one container. They had newspapers, a lot of just loose office paper, as well as your HIPAA. Having it all destroyed into one container, working with the commingled process, pretty much eliminated all of the loose ends.
Our company specializes in recycling spent lasers and old MRI machines, including CAT scans. We will actually come in, remove the units whenever possible, scrap them out, supply you with rebate for that material, and help you put the new unit in. The lasers come to our facility in Phoenix where we dismantle them 100%. Everything is recycled according to EPA guidelines. One of the main issues with recycling these units is them getting back out into service. And that's an issue that we addressed here in Phoenix by putting together a facility specifically designed for dismantling lasers.
I'm Mike Francis, owner of Environmentally Sensitive Products. We've been supplying recycling equipment since 1988. What we do is come in and do a complete analysis of your situation, determine whether or not you need a compactor, a baler, what the best equipment for you is, check out the electrical needed for the equipment, and look at different financing programs, whether it be an outright purchase, a lease purchase finance, which we can do for any industry. And then we also supply a complete turnkey installation and service for the customer. After that, we work with the Environmental Consulting Agency to determine the maximum profits for the type of material that you are generating.
After 25 plus years marketing architects and general contractors, I found a way to combine that expertise with my passion for green living. The U.S. Green Building Council's program of LEED, that is Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, is a great rating system used to benchmark the greenness of your project. I bring hands-on experience in applying LEED goals on the construction job site to ensure that your project is built to the prescribed level of certification that's being sought. One area where I have particular expertise is in construction waste recycling. There's over 2 million tons of construction waste being generated just in Arizona every year, and we need to do more to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Historically, about 30% of the construction material is recycled, but with a little effort, we can reach 50%, and with a little more effort, we can even reach up to 90%. We focus on inert materials such as concrete, asphalt, and brick, as well as wood, drywall, cardboard, and of course, metal. The markets for these materials are always in a state of flux, but with strong industry relationships, and especially with the Environmental Consulting Agency, we can find creative ways to recycle your building materials and help you be more green.
Environmental Consulting Agency will work with you to make your program not only sustainable, but cost effective. It has to make economic sense, and we can do that.